What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
99 sexy Tahoe 1500. Really? They just stole the cat off that CRV, by the way. That's why it's loud. Anyways, look, it's really clean truck. He's been following us on TikTok for a long time. And he's like, I got to get my truck done. I said, I got you. We'll hook you up. So we did. It's got aftermarket high flow converters on it, 2 of them. A whole assembly that has been replaced, as you guys can see. One there, one there. Then it comes true dual from the factory, and usually comes into single muffler, dual in, single out. So we cut them off and true dualed it straight pipe for him, all the way back 2 1/4, as you guys can see there and right there. And then into some 3.5-inch black tips, there and right there. Finish the look. Looks really clean, really nice. There's the muffler that was on it that comes single out and almost tripped. Dual in right there. So dual in, single out. There's the tailpipe. We cut all that off and replaced it. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I told you. Good? Yeah. He doesn't like it, but he loves it. Yes! That's what I wanted to hear. You wanted the exhaust fan, right? That's so much better. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again? 115, guys. That's crazy.